is so important to home sellers because not only you probably will get more money for your home because your presentation is great, but 86% of staged homes sell faster than a non-staged home. Should you stage the whole home or just focus on certain rooms? I would say you want the whole home, especially in an occupied home, to look very presentable. But I have 5 money rooms that I call to really put your time into it. And those are your foyer, your living room, family area, your dining room, your kitchen, and your master suite. That's where I want to put your time, money, and effort into.